Okay, hear me out. What if your boring old socket board didn't have to be, well, boring? Like who said, it has to stay white and sad forever. So hello guys, my name is Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So this poor little guy was just chilling in the corner of my room minding his own dull business until I decided to give it a makeover. So I started cleaning it with an old piece of cloth and then I grabbed my paints, summoned my inner chaos and just went for it. No sketch, no plans, just vibes. Funky vibes. I was out here blending colors like I knew what I was doing. Spoiler alert, I didn't. In my mind, I was just thinking, I cannot mess this up, I cannot mess this up. But, I messed up and then I did something more terrible. I knew I can do nothing about it, so I ignored it for the rest of my video, just like you should ignore your ex. I carried out my work, and at this point, my socket board had gone from May to museum worthy, or at least my room worthy. Ta-da! Who knew electricity could look this electric? I'll fix this later. If you're gonna plug in your charger, might as well do it in style, right? I'm screaming! This thing was looking pretty pink, but it was still a bit bored, so I decided to color the switch borders. Let me show it. So I grabbed my Q-tips and started cleaning it, all the extra colors on the borders of the switches. But as you guys know, I stand up in the first place in clumsy competition, so I messed up again. I just wanted to clean the borders of the switches, but now I have to clean the whole area too, and I have to color it again. So I grabbed my brushes once again and started filling the gaps, and then I started coloring it with the color lavender. I know you guys cannot see it right now because of the poor camera quality. I know that. So, of course, like, share, comment, and subscribe so that I can earn more money and buy an iPhone to give you guys a better quality video. Okay, so now it turned out so pretty. Let me show it. Amazing! It turned out so pretty. And this is the final result. And I really want to scream. So that's it for this video. If you like this mini art attack, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, go paint something weird today, even if it's a socket board. Especially if it's a socket board. I love you guys. Bye bye.